Hello, future traders, and welcome back to Vault Financial Group. I'm thrilled to welcome you to our Forex Trading Basics series. Whether you're just stepping into the trading world or looking to refine your skills, this journey is uniquely crafted for every aspiring trader out there. Over the next few weeks, we're embarking on a journey to explore the fundamental principles of Forex trading. From grasping the intricacies of currency pairs to hands-on strategies, our focus is on practical application. This isn't a mere theoretical exploration, it's about gaining the confidence to navigate the dynamic landscape of Forex. Whether you're aiming for financial freedom or simply captivated by the complexities of Forex, you've found the perfect place. Get ready to actively participate, ask questions, and let's make the learning process not just educational, but also thoroughly enjoyable. Already subscribed? Fantastic. If not, hit that subscribe button now. Our first session is just around the corner, and I want you to be part of this exciting Forex adventure. So grab your notepad, get ready for some engaging learning, and I'll see you in our upcoming sessions.